make a pendant out of this lampwork bead. I made it years ago. And that right here is using ivory and a little silver to wrap around it. If I remember right, it's been a while. Been a good while. And I had this one laying around, and I thought, well, I'll just make it into a pendant. Because I don't have many of the lampwork beads I made. Got a few, but not many. My wire is 11 inches long. I'll show you another bead I made. A little lizard wrapped around a bead. It's not the prettiest thing, but I did frogs too. And that, if I remember right, that's boro. That's hard glass. That's a real, can't remember what the name of it was, the glass that I used. But if you got it just right, it'd do rainbow color. If you got it just right, it would do rainbow colors here. You take a stringer and wrap it around, and it'd do. If you got this just right, it would do rainbow colors around where you ran your stringer. And I'll go. And I did. Well, there's another one. I got another one. Little flowers. You put dot, 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 and then you took the red and you twisted it. There's one. I was digging through my bead stash and I found all these. My bumps are a little high, but we're going to do this one. And later on I might do that. One of the other ones. I don't know why my allergies are really kicking up. So this is just going to be simple. And I think what I'm going to do is make my clasp first. And I need a paintbrush. I had the one I always grab. I'm going to wrap it around twice. Let's go for 3 times. 3 times the charm. Bend that down. And then I'm going to go around. So, scoot it together. And I'm using nickel silver wire. Looks like it's getting foggy outside. We've got a ring there, so that'll be our clasp. And now let's go down through the top. Or do we want that as the top? I think I want that as the top. I'm going to keep this for myself. Now, what are we going to do down here at the bottom? This is going to be simple, so I'm going to put a swirl there and bring it through so I can catch it, I guess. We'll just swirl it around the bottom. Just a simple little that anybody can do. Especially if you had softer wire than this. My copper is soft wire. This one isn't. And cradle it down there and then straighten that out. Straighten that back out. Let's see. Well, it sounds like we've got thunder. And then I'm going to do, we've already hardened this wire by working it. We're just going to do little curls. Oops. Push them up around it. Need one back here. Go up through there. Let's see, and curl it again here. And then we've got to get rid of our tail. And I think if the hole's big enough, I'll stick it back down in it. Go another way. If not, we'll catch it on something. If not, we'll catch it on something. end of the wire up in it. Simple little way to showcase a bead and not take away from the bead itself, or at least try to show the biggest part of it. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Until then, bye-bye.